Hello everyone, it's Joe from Boulet's Garage. I'm doing a brake job on a Subaru today, and I just wanted to show you something here. Now typically on these cars, these brake pads lock right up. Due to rust forms between the brake pad and where it's supposed to slide back and forth in the caliper brackets. Also causes the brakes to drag badly. You push on the brakes, they really don't release all that well, and then it causes the brake rotor to overheat. See these black spots? Those are hot spots on the rotor. And as you can see, this brake rotor is badly rusted as well. And this is a brand new rotor. And people ask me, well, Joe, how come you don't machine the rotors? Well, I used to machine rotors all the time, but I want to show you something here. So, in all actuality, when you machine a rotor like this, the cutters pull across down to new metal. But in all actuality, you're pulling the cutter towards bad metal. And if you machine this to the point where the rotor's too thin, you have to discard it anyway. It's a lot of unnecessary labor. So you're better off with the price of rotors today, to just put brand new ones on it. I've had good luck with the BrakeBest product. I haven't had any problems with warping or any brake pulsations. So I hope this video has helped you, and if you like what I'm doing, like my page and subscribe to it. Thanks. Have a great day.